Hello, today I'm going to show you how to share YouTube videos on Facebook. Let's start. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Now play the video that you want to share. Here we have a share button right below the video. Tap on it. You can see the different social media platforms where you can share this video. Select the option of Facebook. Here, tap on Open to proceed further. It will take you to your Facebook profile. As you can see, the link of your selected video has already been added. You can edit this post by adding any background color. Also, you can add video's cover by tapping Return button. After that, you can also add a caption to your post. Next, you can select the audience for this post. Here, select who you want to see your post. Tap on Done. From these options given on the bottom, you can tag friend, add feelings, check in or tag an event to this post. Once you're done, hit the post button and the video will be posted on your profile. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.